Hello everyone, it's me Sonia Shaikh and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an English version of this video because I made it in Urdu a long time ago. By the way, Urdu is my native language. But many of you asked me in the comments to explain it in English because obviously not everyone knows Urdu. Even though I uploaded English subtitles file to this video, but still I kept getting this kind of feedback. So I thought maybe it was time to do an English version of the same video, and here it is. To be honest, I was so happy to see how this video has helped so many people fix their swimming machines, and thank you guys so much for showing love in this video. Anyways, I'm sure you will find this video useful, so give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so my swimming machine was a bit broken and the problem is that the stitches are not lifting properly and skipping the stitches from time to time. Once before the machine started skipping stitches in the same way. At that time I did not know what the problem was and how to fix it. But after a lot of hard work I finally figured out what the problem was and how to fix it. But now that I know how to fix this problem, I thought why not share it with you guys. So in case your sewing machine breaks down and the stitches skip, you can repair your machine. Well, first let me show you a stitch line on a piece of fabric so that you can see how many stitches are skipped. Let me show you close up. Here you can see how many stitches were skipped. Look here, you can also see it here. Here it skipped one and skipped some further, meaning this machine did not sew properly at all. Okay, so now I will tell you how to fix this problem. Well, if your sewing machine is skipping stitches like this, then here is the real problem. That's the real problem with whatever rod or bar you see. The way to fix this is that they have given two such screwdrivers with this machine. I will take the big one and I will open this screw first. And I will also remove the thread so it doesn't become a problem, and we will put it aside. Now if you look a little closer, this bar is out of place. Something like this happens when we are sewing a thick fabric or our needle is pushed from below. This bar slides out of its place and goes up. Due to this, the needle does not go as deep as it should to pick up the stitch. That's why it starts skipping stitches. Now to fix it, we need to slide the bar down a bit and then tighten it. To do this, we will first take this part of the machine here because there is a hole here at the back where we can put the screwdriver. After taking it to this level, here is a nut that we will lose a little. After losing the nut, we will slightly move the bar and lower it a little. Very lightly, and here I have brought it down a bit. I hope you saw it in the video. Well, if you don't know if it's fixed or not, you can check it here. This bar moves up and down as we operate the machine. So if that bar stops right at its level or if it stops at the top, it's bad. When we rotate the machine and lower the bar to the last limit, within this circle there must be an interval of 2 to 3 millimeters, meaning 2 to 3 millimeters only, and this bar must be below the circle. I hope you understand what I am saying. So if this bar is exactly at the level of this circle, there is a problem. If that bar is above that circle, there is still a problem. And even if the bar passes more than 2 to 3 millimeters below that circle, it's still a problem. In this case, the needle can break from below. So as far as this bar has gone down, that is enough. Then we have to tighten the screw again and make sure it is firmly tight. Otherwise the bar or rod may slip through again. So I have tightened it up nicely. Now we are going to put this thing on top, and it's not finished here. You might skip the video and run away and don't even watch the whole process. First we are going to put this back together. Then we are going to thread it as usual. After inserting the thread, let's put a stitch line here to see if it's fixed or not. This is the old one and here we will make the new one. So let me show you the end result closely. So look at the bottom stitch line, that is how many stitches it has skipped before, and this one above is the one that I have just applied. So you can see that not a single stitch has skipped and the stitching is perfectly fine. So in case your machine skips the stitches, you can fix it this way. Try it and please let me know if you found this method helpful in the comment section below. And if you are into blogs, then go ahead and check out my website soniasheikhofficial.com. I have put the link in the description box below. Also give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.